Hello, welcome guys. Muri kumwe na Shemsi. Nizere ko mumeze neza. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba hamwe phone 10 z'umwaka ushize wa 2025. Tukaba dufite kategori 10 muri kategori zigiye zitandukanye. Haba muri design, haba muri best battery phone there. Muri make akaba ari kategori 10. Umwaka ushize hakaba harasohotsemo phone nyinshi cyane zigiye zitandukanye, haba muri innovation, haba muri camera, hasohotse phone nyinshi cyane, ariko muri phone ntago haburamo phone 10 at least uvuga ngo hagendeye kuri kategori iyi ngiyi niyo ibasha. Tukaba twabateguriye phone 10 z'umwaka, ureba ukavuga ati kabisa these phones are zifite nyine like many innovation. Kategori ya mbere akaba ari best big phone cyangwa se phone nini like ikoze neza, ifite ubunini bwiza cyane ugendeye like inyuma cyangwa se imbere. Kuri uwo mwanya tukaba tuhasanga phone bita Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max akaba ari brand ya Xiaomi as you know it, akaba ariyo phone like ifite award yo kuba ari phone nini nziza ugereranyije n'izindi zose. No ku mwanya wa 9 cyangwa se kategori ya 9 tukaba tuhasanga best smartphone of the year of 2025. Tukaba tuhasanga phone bita Galaxy Z Flip 7. Akaba ariyo phone ntoya like of the year. Akaba ari agafone gato, ikindi kari foldable, ikindi kari flippable, ikindi gafite small size, ikindi kakaba kageretseho kuba kari foldable as you know it. Kategori ya 8 cyangwa se ku mwanya wa 8 tukaba tuhasanga best design phone of the year. Best design phone of the year ikaba yaragiye kuri iPhone 17 Air as you know it. It's a smartphone. Akaba ariyo phone ya mbere Apple like iri finest on all phones they have. Like the wrist ikaba ifite like small inches ugereranyije n'izindi phone. Ikindi ikaba ari one camera design as you know it. So the best design phone of the year ikaba ari iPhone 17 Air. Ku mwanya wa 7 tukaba tuhasanga kategori ya phone ifite battery nziza y'umwaka. Kuri iyo phone tukaba tuhasanga OnePlus 15. OnePlus 15 abanyarwanda benshi ntabwo bayizi but it's a good brand. Rero kuri phone ifite battery y'umwaka ushize akaba ari OnePlus 15, ifite 700 mAh battery. Kuri iyo phone y'umwaka irambisha umuriro, ikaba imaza like 3 days straight without a charge. So kuri phone y'umwaka ya battery hakaba haza OnePlus 15. Ku mwanya wa 6 tukaba tuhasanga best foldable phone of the year, cyangwa se ya phone like iba ifolding yandi ushobora kugira gutya murasise fold phone yandi usanga ifite screen ebyiri cyangwa se 3. Best phone of the year in fold term akaba ari Galaxy Z Fold 7. akaba ariyo phone y'umwaka in terms of foldness. Ku mwanya wa 5 tukaba tuhasanga best value. Best value akaba ari phone nyine like ureba ikaba ifite features zifite flagship content. Phone nyine ifite specs cyangwa se features za flagship smartphones, ariko ugasanga ihendutse iri muri middle in terms of price. Uwo mwanya tukaba tuhasanga phone bita CMF Phone 2 Pro. Akaba ari phone yo ruganda rushyashya abantu benshi nako baruzi like ni brand nshyashya bayita Nothing. Hakaba hazaho Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. Akaba ari best value phone of the year. Mwanya wa 4 tukaba tuhasanga kategori ya phone of the year in terms of camera. Akaba atari iPhone, it's not Samsung, it's fine. It's Oppo Find X9 Pro. Akaba ari phone ifite like 200 megapixel. Let me look the specs. X9 Pro. Ku mwanya wa 3 cyangwa se kategori ya 3 tukaba tuhasanga kategori ya most improved phone of the year. Nyine phone yivuguruye in terms of quality, design, everything muri rusange. Iyo ngiyo akaba ari 9, ikaba ari iPhone 17 isanzwe base one. Akaba ariyo phone of the year in terms of improvement. Mwanya wa 2 cyangwa se kategori ya 2 tukaba tuhasanga best phone gaming of the year, cyangwa se phone uri umuntu ukunda ibintu byo gukina game, ibintu like bya gaming in terms of phone quality. Tukaba tuhasanga phone bita Red Magic 11 Pro. Red Magic 11 Pro ikaba ifite anything wakenera nk'umuntu ukunda ibintu bya gaming. It's an Android phone. Ikindi ikaba ifite icyo bita vapor chambers. That is when you are playing games and phone becomes hot. Kwa gundi ushobora gukina phone igashyuha cyane, ifite icyo bita vapor chambers inside. Ariyo phone y'umwaka in terms of gaming. Ku mwanya wa mbere tukaba tuhasanga phone of the year in everything. Kuri kategori ya mbere rero biragoranye ko zasohotse phone nyinshi cyane in terms of many things. Tunzi mu myaka harasohotse S25 Ultra, S20 what, many phones. Ariko kuri phone y'umwaka, best phone of the year in all categories, based on many reviews, tugendeye kuri review nyinshi z'abantu benshi bagiye batandukanye. Ku mwanya wa mbere ya phone y'umwaka akaba ari iPhone 17. iPhone 17 isanzwe base one, not 17 Pro, not 17 Pro Max, but 17 base one. Akaba ariyo phone y'umwaka. If you are still watching, means wageze kuri end of the video. Thank you for watching. This is Ivan Shema or Shemsi, whatever. Like, subscribe, share. Akaba ari ibintu bigiye bizagenda bigaruka anytime. So ciao, tuzabonana on another video. Ciao.